Withdrawing money from WhatsApp to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account linked to your payment feature. Step 2. Access the Payments section. Navigate to the chat where you received the money or go to the Settings menu. Look for the Payments option to view your transaction history and balance. Step 3. Select Withdraw option. In the Payments section, find and select the option to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as Withdraw to Bank or something similar. Step 4. Enter bank details. Input your bank account information if prompted. Ensure that the details are accurate to avoid any issues with the transfer. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Review the withdrawal amount and confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification once the funds have been successfully transferred to your bank account. After completing these steps, your money should be on its way to your bank account. Always check your bank statement to confirm the deposit.